Class 11th, Chapter 2, Olympic Value Education. Contents: Olympics, Paralympics and Special Olympics. Olympic symbols, ideals, objectives and values of Olympians. International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association. Olympics, Paralympics and Special Olympics. Olympics, ancient Olympics. Olympic Games started in Olympia Valley in 776 BC. Hercules and god Jesus and is associated with Olympics held every 4 years. Scared offering prayers, animal sacrifice, oath and declaration, competitive events, running, wrestling, throws, horse riding, banned by King Theodosius in 394 AD. Ancient Olympics awards respect and honor, food, grains and animals, olive leaves, crown, statue of winners, poems in praise of winners, rules for competition, Greeks and Hellenic race. Competitors stayed in Olympia 1 month before. Women not allowed to see a participate. Only amateurs players. Savage and convicted person not allowed. Modern Olympic Games. Brian-Pierre de Coubertin of France, founder of modern Olympics. Revived in 1896 in Athens. 9 countries participated in Athens. No Olympic Games in 1916, 1940, 1944. 215 countries participated in 2012 Olympic Games. Olympic symbols. Olympic motto: faster, higher, stronger. By the father Didon in 1895. The Olympic motto is Citus Altis Fortis, a Latin expression meaning faster, higher, stronger. Olympic flag. Created in 1913, hosted first time at Antwerp Olympic Games in 1920. Made of white silk and contains 5 interlocking rings or circles. Rings or circles representing 5 continents of the world: America, Europe, Australia, Asia, Africa. Rings have different colors: yellow, green, red, blue and black. Different colors represent different continents. IOC states about the rings. The 5 rings represent the 5 continents. They are interlocked to show the universality of Olympism and the meeting of the athletes of the world during the Olympic Games. On the Olympic flag, the rings appear on a white background. Combined in this way, The six colors of the flag: blue, yellow, black, green, red, and white represent all nations. It is a misconception, therefore, to believe that each of the colors corresponds to a certain continent. Olympic flame symbolize friendship between peoples with the torch relay traveling through different countries. First torch relay took place in 1936 games in Berlin. The lighting flame is lit in Olympia some months prior the games can only be lit by sun rays. The new torch is created every time. Each relay runner carries his or her own torch. Flame is passed from runner to runner, cannot be extinguished en route. The relay route carried by relay from Olympia to the host city. The relay route to flame inspires and motivates people across the countries. Olympic awards. First three position holders are awarded gold, silver, bronze medals and certificate. The next five positions holders are awarded certificates only. Olympic oath written by Baron de Coubertin. The oath is taken by an athlete from the host nation while holding a corner of the Olympic flag. The athlete's oath was first taken by Belgian fancier Victor Boyn at the 1920 Antwerp Games. Olympic oath. In the name of all competitors, I promise that we shall take part in these Olympic Games, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport and the honor